Performance and reporting. Apart from all the cool functionalities, the Dashboard Manager will also give you access to powerful performance reporting tools. You can use the Campaign Manager to assess metrics such as impressions, click-through rates, and your average cost per click. In this video, you will learn how to effectively access performance reporting in the Campaign Manager to better understand the different types of actions measured in your campaigns to professionally gauge the impact that they have on your marketing efforts. Using the Campaign Manager to download performance reports. You can download performance reports for each one of your advertising accounts. These reports will give you insights about measurable metrics such as impressions, click-through rates, and conversions, which will be important for later marketing planning. In your Campaign Manager, click on the name of the advertising account that you want to examine. Look for the Download button under the Metrics chart and click on it. A Download Campaign Info box will appear to give you the option on what type of report you would like to download. You can download campaign performance, ad performance, and demographics reports. Select which type of data you want to examine and click on Download. Demographics for ads. You can check the demographic range data for your ads right into the Campaign Manager. When you are inside one of your campaigns, click on the Demographics tab. You can check two types of demographic data, clicks and conversions. You can see demographic data and break it down in several facets: company industry, job title, job seniority, job function, company size, and location. You can also check clicks and conversions through time, ranging from today through all-time data. You have to consider that LinkedIn ads reports are in universal time, so they will hardly match the exact hours of your time zone. Ads performance reports. Statistical reporting on ad performance across various dimensions can be accessed in the Campaign Manager. Select an advertising account for which metrics you want to examine. Scroll down and look for the statistical table at the side of your campaigns. As you can see, there are 4 measurable dimensions that can be examined in here: conversions, performance, social actions, and budget. Conversion metrics will show the statistical results of conversions as defined by you for a specific campaign, such as click-through rates. Performance metrics refer to how your ads are performing in relation to your budget spent. Social actions show you the amount of social interactions received on your ads. The social interactions are measured across desktop and mobile devices and include likes, comments, and replies. Finally, budget metrics will show you plain figures related to your budget: daily budget, maximum bid, and campaign duration. Make sure to get familiarized with these metrics and numbers because you will need to understand them along the way.